Hey friend, I got this phone case from the manufacturer just so I could show you, and there are a few things I really like about it. Here's what I always look for first is the stitching. The stitching on this is actually really, really good. The other thing, when I'm using a phone case, a couple of them do have just like things for your cards, everything, but when you're in the city, things like that, there's cash that we use too. So love this zipper pocket. A lot of the phone cases don't have that. It's a really nice zipper too. Also another spot here for cash, for bills. I took my phone out. There comes in a lot of different sizes, so I like that because I was going to give this as a gift and everyone has a different size. So I think I'm going to order some for other people in that. So love that. There's so many room for cards, everything. Nice little wristlet too. I can carry it around with me. I think it looks really stylish too. And these little snaps work great. So they just come on there, snap, it's together, works great. I think it looks really good too. So I've been really happy with this.